This is a 4-bed, 1-bath in the heart of Hell's Kitchen on Restaurant Row. I am starting out in the living room, which has 2 nice tall windows and some nice musical accents. I'm going to go ahead and turn around here. I really like those green accent chairs and that table. And as you can see, there is space to have a dining area, a living area, an entertainment area, a bar, and it's just a really pleasant space. One of the things about this apartment is it has nice high ceilings. So this is the living room. Now I'm gonna go into the kitchen first and then I'll go back and do the bedrooms. Kitchen is really a strong point here. There is a dishwasher and a lot of cooking space. You have counter space both on the right and the left. You have a full-size fridge, good size gas stove. And you see you have some bonus food prep areas here, a nice big counter, your dishwasher, and lots of both cabinet space and then storage space above. So it's a really well set up separate kitchen. Okay, so if you wanted to use this as a 3-bedroom instead of a 4, what you could do is really utilize these French doors, and this could become a sitting room, a reading area. You could even open up these doors and make it a dining nook if you wanted to. All 4 of the bedrooms do have closets. Here's a closet here. And I will say that this bedroom number 1 appears to be probably the smallest of the 4. Okay, going back out through the living room, down the hall. Here is bedroom number 2. This is probably the largest of the bedrooms. I'm going to step on over here so you can see you can fit a nice large bed. There's an excellent little space, nicely decorated as an office nook. And again, all 4 bedrooms have closets. Thanks to my friends over here for being my co-stars. Okay, let's go ahead and do bedroom number 3. Again, all of these bedrooms are a good size. This one has 1 window. And again, it does have a closet. In this case, it appears the closet door has been removed. We can talk about that. You could do a curtain there if you like. It might make it function a little bit better. And here, number 4 is pretty equal to number 3. Again, you have a single window. A closet. Hello out there, an apartment seeking land. Here's a good space to put a very nice dresser. And I'm going to head on down the hall here. And this is 4 beds and 1 bath. It is a windowed bath. There is a nice deep tub. And here is the windowed toilet and sink area. Head on back down the hall. So again, these bedrooms are spaced out pretty well. You have the kitchen in between number 1 and the other 2. And we'll wind it up in this lovely dining room.